As a member of the old civil service of Pakistan, I was very conscious in the field that I belonged to a structure with Qa'id E'Azam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan, had said is the steel frame of Pakistan. Now today that steel frame has been shaken, perhaps shattered, perhaps like Humpty Dumpty, never to be put together again. But without a strong civil service structure, a police structure, a foreign service structure, Pakistan's structure cannot function. Three things are absolutely essential for any service structure. And good governance. We hear the word good governance. This is what it is. Integrity, efficiency, and ability. Without these three factors, you have problems. And Pakistan today has problems if we are to see and judge by the number of dacoities and killings and violence that are taking place openly in Pakistan. It's almost open. There's no check. In fact, sometimes the police are involved in these activities because they don't have a check. Therefore, it's critical for Imran Khan, the government of Pakistan, to reform the administrative structure and do that on a priority basis and think about the reforms. Not just patchwork, not just remove the DIG or the Chief Secretary and everything will fall in place. They won't. And remember, all this is derived from the Quran Sharif itself. The three things that an Islamic society must have: ilm, that is knowledge, to encourage knowledge, and remember the civil services were selected on the basis of exams and knowledge. Number two, ihsan, that is compassion, to be kind to the people, and we were taught always to think of service. How do you provide service to the ordinary people, not to be their lords and masters? And finally, adl, or justice. How do we give justice? Today, you will hear Pakistanis complaining that there are none of these three things available from the services of Pakistan. And the incident at Sahiwal, and I was Assistant Commissioner in Okara, and I was broken-hearted to read the details of that incident, when the police themselves, the security forces, were involved in killing innocent citizens, mothers, children, fathers in a car going down the highway. How could this be happening when we have a much vaunted structure? The tragedy is that Afghanistan did not have a structure like this. We had one in 1947. The tragedy is that in the meantime, we have destroyed it and finished it. Afghanistan remains chaotic because they don't have a structure, and we are now seemingly heading that way. So before we go over the brink, it is time to stop, pull back, and begin to recreate a structure which works.